Nick Kyrgios is an Australian professional tennis player. He was born on April 27, 1995 in Canberra, Australia. He was born to a father of Greek origin, George, and a Malay mother, Norlaila. His father is a self-employed house painter and his mother is a computer engineer. His mother was born in Malaysia as a member of the Selangor royal family, but she dropped her title as a princess when she moved to Australia in her 20s. He has two siblings, brother Christos and sister Halimah. Kyrgios attended Radford College until year 8 and completed his year 12 certificate in 2012 at Malay College in Canberra. Kyrgios played basketball in his early teens before deciding to focus solely on tennis when he was 14 years old. 2 years later, he gained a full scholarship at the Australian Institute of Sport, where he was able to further develop his tennis. Kyrgios has won 6 ATP titles and has reached 9 ATP finals, including a Masters 1000 final at the 2017 Cincinnati Masters. In doubles, he has a career-high ranking of world number 29, achieved on 21 March 2022 after winning a major doubles title at the 2022 Australian Open and later making the semi-finals in Miami partnering Thanasi Kokkinakis. In 2013, Kyrgios relocated his training base from Canberra to Melbourne Park in an attempt to further his career with better facilities and hitting partners. Kyrgios announced his engagement to blogger Kostin Hadzi in May 2022. He was previously in a relationship with Croatian-Australian tennis player Ajla Tomljanovic. They briefly broke up after his loss at Wimbledon 2017. He was in a relationship with Chiara Passari in 2020. However, Kyrgios and Passari broke up in late 2021 after an argument at a hotel quarantine site in Adelaide. In 2020, Kyrgios became a pescatarian, stating that he cannot bear to see the suffering of animals. Kyrgios made his Davis Cup debut for Australia in September 2013 against Poland at the age of 18. In 2019, Kyrgios was left out of the Davis Cup team for their qualifier in Adelaide, which they won against Bosnia and Herzegovina. In 2022, Kyrgios reached the quarter-finals after beating Jiri Lehika and 5th seed Nikolaj. Kyrgios reached the semi-finals after his quarter-final opponent Martin Fucsovics retired, trailing with Kyrgios leading 3-0 in the second set. In his junior career, Kyrgios won the boys singles event at the 2013 Australian Open and the boys doubles events at the 2012 French Open, the 2012 Wimbledon and the 2013 Wimbledon Championships. In his professional career, he has reached the quarter-finals 2 singles majors, the 2014 Wimbledon Championships and the 2015 Australian Open. Kyrgios is only the third player after Dominic Hervey and Leighton Hewitt to have beaten each member of the Big Three the first time he played each of them. At the 2022 Australian Open, he won his first round match in straight sets against qualifier Liam Brody. He was subsequently defeated in the second round by top seed Daniil Medvedev over 4 sets. Kokkinakis and Kyrgios won their first doubles Grand Slam in straight sets, becoming the first All-Australian men's doubles champions at the Australian Open since the Woodies triumphed in 1997. Kyrgios played in the inaugural ATP Cup in 2020 in Brisbane and in the Sydney finals. He won 3 straight singles matches against John Leonard Struff of Germany, Stefanos Tsitsipas of Greece and Cameron Norrie of Great Britain respectively, as well as a doubles match alongside Alex de Minaur to defeat Great Britain in the quarter-finals. He eventually lost to Roberto Bautista Agut in the semi-finals against Spain in straight sets.